Okay, welcome everyone. So this question is a typical component 1 question, so floating point binary. It's told us how many bits for the mantissa and how many bits for the exponent. They are both represented in 2's complement, so the first step is to just take a look at this exponent. We know it begins with 1, so obviously it's a negative exponent, so it's going to move the decimal places to the left. So the first step is just to work out what number that is. So, this should be 0. Number line above it, 1, 2, 4, and again we know it's 2's complement, so it's negative 8 plus the 4 plus the 2 is therefore equal to negative 2. Okay, so that is your exponent, and that will be worth a single mark just for doing that step. We then just need to write out the mantissa, so it's the same process. Okay, so I've just copied this 4-bit here, and we know that the rules are the decimal point needs to start between the first 2 digits from the left hand side. So it's going to start here, and we know that the exponent is negative 2, so we just need to show the process of moving that decimal point 2 spaces over to the left. Now, as we can see, there's no numbers to move that decimal point in between, so all we can do here, because this started with a 0, we can just pad this number with zeros as well. Once we've moved it, we then just have to consider what the new number line is going to be above this number. So if our decimal point has landed here, we know that this must be negative 1, this must be 0.5, this must be 0.25, and then 0.125. So this is the actual value that's being represented. We could go further, but we don't need to. These values are just 0, so worthless. Okay, so our final answer is 0.125. We just have to remember we're converting this into denary, so make sure again you do specify that this is your final answer in denary. So a mark for this, another mark for this, and then a mark for the final answer.